Okay, so you want to know how to upload audio to Roblox to make your game, etc. Well, I have the solution for you. You have to be in the main screen of Roblox. This works also in phone and console. So this is the way. You have to go to this button of create. You have to locate it if you are not in PC, and then you have to press creations here. And once you're in creation, you have to go to development items, press it, and then you have to choose audio here. So as you can see, I already uploaded something, but you can press this button of upload asset and you will be creating a new music file. As you can see, when I click it, you can have all the options, the permissions here, etc., and you can use it to create your work or whatever you want to do. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, share, comment, like, and see you in the next time. Easy way, remember to see all my videos. I have a lot of videos of Roblox.